I'm Alan Johnson. I'm over the flatbed training for Loudon County Trucking. Once a trainee is approved for training, we will provide transportation to training. That also includes room and board the whole time they're in training. They will be paid through the whole program, and we do also provide 3 meals a day while they are in training.
They have took care of us since we've been here. They rented us the vehicle, gave us a place to stay, made sure we was fed. If any problems occurred, they addressed it right then and there and took care of it.
Week 1, we will get their physical taken care of. Any paperwork that hasn't been filled out, we'll go over all rules and policies and safety guidelines that we expect here at the company. Week 2, we will start the hands-on process, not only working in the classroom, but we will be working out in the training bay, unsecuring, resecuring different types of commodity that we do have here at the terminal. Week 3, they will be working with a safety officer that we have at the plant. They will be helping load Loudon County trucks that come in to pick up their load. The 4th week, they will go out with a trainer. They will be doing 100% of the work, the driving, the securement, the paperwork, everything, but there will be a trainer with them.
They will introduce you to each person that you'll be involved with and within the company. And they also will let you know who your trainer is and what you'll be doing before you actually do it. Once
a trainee completes the training and they're what we consider solo, they're in their own truck and trailer, we do have a $1,000 minimum that will follow them for 6 weeks.